Oh hey, sorry. Just getting ready to detail the engine compartment here on the Festiva. Just going through my chemical guys, not sponsored stuff, trying to find the right stuff. You know, I don't think I have any chemical guys, any chemical guys degreaser for the engine compartment. And that's such a shame, because I buy quite a bit of chemical guys, not sponsored stuff.
Not sponsored.
And nope, what is that?
Not sponsored.
Right, not sponsored. Over the last few years, I've bought, as you can see down here, lots of chemical guys products. And yeah, not sponsored. So anyway, I guess we'll use Purple Power. If you want to check out the engine compartment, you can see it's pretty crusty, so it goes kind of along with the channel. I'm gonna just take a hose. I've got a bag on my distributor. I got another bag in the back on the alternator. Moved some of the wiring out of the way, and you can see there's just from sitting around, there's dirt in here, there's dirt over here. So I'm gonna get in with the hose. I'm just gonna kind of spray that out a little bit. All right, guys, we're back on our detail of the engine compartment using Purple Power to degrease. But first we're gonna give her a spray down, and then we're gonna come back with some chemical guys not sponsored product and see how we can make this look. So I'm just gonna spray this out a little bit. Battery tray just looks delicious. All right, so probably sped that part of the video up for you. So yeah, it just took a couple minutes, soaked it down. It already looks 10 times better. I'm just gonna hit it up with some Purple Power now. Just let it sit. All right, so just gonna hit it with a brush and see what happens. I wish I had another bucket from Chemical Guys, not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
All right, so no, that's wishful thinking. So I've whipped up a bucket full of Purple Power and water. We're just gonna keep plugging away on this. It's already making a really big difference. Just kind of hitting the harder areas, the harder to reach areas with the small brush, and then the big areas with the big brush. Pretty simple. Wow. Holy crap, guys. I've got to tell you, holy shit balls, you are gonna like this. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you in here, show you what's up. All right, so it's kind of Purple Powery, but you can see there's just dirt, grime, shit, more shit, a lot of shit down there. Oof, that's gonna be fun with all that electronics in the way. But watch, look at that, man. Holy crap, super clean. That's amazing. So, oh, the wife's coming in to see if it's, the wife's coming in for some,
Oh yeah.
for some approvals. I mean, that's awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going on this.
Could have done better.
And
yeah. Good job.
what was that?
What?
Okay,
Good.
yeah, yep. Also, not obviously, yeah. And I'm not gonna say nothing. Anyway, not sponsored. So yeah, I'm just gonna scrub up on the rest of this. We'll maybe let this run and just pick up whatever it picks up and pick through it and edit it out and give you the best of the best. That's what we don't do. Don't do? Yeah, don't do here at Krusty Customs Garage. So yeah, we're just gonna let this roll. I'm gonna keep scrubbing. Yeah. That's nice. I'm pretty sure it's probably a Chemical Guys product, but it would do this job, you know. Not sponsored. If you're like me, just a guy doing this stuff at home, Chemical Guy's stuff is awesome. You know, there's more expensive stuff on the market, there's cheaper stuff on the market. I have used expensive stuff, I've used cheap stuff, and I keep coming right back. Not trying to kiss your ass, Chemical Guys, but
Not sponsored.
we're not sponsored. Well, maybe a little bit, but you know, you really do make good stuff. I like using it. The wifey likes using it. It smells real good too, so when you're detailing your car inside and out, it smells kick-ass in there, which is always nice. Yeah, already 1,000 times better.
Yeah, looks red.
Yeah. Yep. You can tell, like, just this.
Mm-hmm.
Just gross. All right, gentlemen and lady who are watching this, because there's probably only one, the wife, that watches these.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're a lady, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So definitely not our demographic. But anyway, so the sun has kind of dried this out. I searched my Chemical Guys Not Sponsored stash for something that would shine up my paint under the hood. Found nothing. I don't have anything. It's expensive stuff. But not sponsored, by the way. I did find something that might work, and that's by someone, I don't even know where I got this. It's something called 303, and it's a touchless sealant. You spray it on, you rinse it off, and it's supposed to leave a shine. So we're gonna find out. I'm gonna use it on the firewall and see what happens. Yeah, just says spray on, rinse off, deep, wet, shine. Why not? Deep, lustrous shine, huh? All right, let's find out. What do you think? Is that rinse?
Sure.
Full disclosure, this is the first time I've really ever done this much in an engine compartment of a car, other than making a car run. So, yeah. So if it works anyway, like it does when my wife details a car for me, this will be sold in 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
So let's hope that doesn't happen.
Mm-mm.
No? Okay, no. So anyway, yeah, I already see that it is drying and it's dull. Doesn't work. Yeah, it's already, yeah. But well, I'll give it time. We'll come back. I'm gonna let the sun dry it again. And there it comes on cue. Bring the sun. Bring the sun. Wow. All right, well, right when okay, well, anyway, we'll be back. I'm just gonna go around, hit up some plastic, a nice rusty strut caps. Oh, tell you the truth. The phone. Wow, I'll let the sun bake on that for a minute, but that silky shine might do a little bit on the paint. So we'll have to see what happens. I'm just kind of going over all the plastics, just trying to make them look a little better. And I'm not trying to build a show car, I just want something. This car is way too clean to just not pay a little extra attention to. So that's what I'm gonna do. So, and full disclosure, I still have I really only have ever driven a Festiva, like a block. I've never really driven one. So I'm either going to be super happy once I get this on the road or super depressed. So comment how you think it's going to work out in the comments. Don't tell the wife though.
Mm-hmm.
So she'll probably get a little pissed off. But you know, you'll have that. And if it doesn't drive the way I like it to drive, then I'll make it drive the way I like it to drive. How's that? Is that a better compromise? See? Hey, did you guys hear that? I think you did. So if it doesn't drive the way I want it to drive, I get to make it drive the way that I want it to drive, and I have it on this video.
For under $40.
A day, thank you. Yeah, so anyway, I'm just, like I said, just hitting up some stuff. And haven't really safe peek. She's not dry, but inside of the radiator's clean, so that's a plus. Anyway, I think I've done plenty here. I'm gonna, just for an experiment, wipe just the top half of the fire wall here with this Chemical Guys Silk Shine dressing.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. And see if the shine sticks around a little bit. That'd be nice, because I really would like something I can just kind of wipe on and forget about and have it look nice.
Is that non-flammable?
Huh? Oh, let's see. Wife says, is it non-flammable? Let's see. It just says harmful if swallowed, so be careful, and causes eye irritation.
Okay.
So don't spray it right in your face. Just spray it on your car. The one thing I did notice, and I don't know if you can see this on camera, is how disgusting the underside of my hood is. You guys seeing that? Nasty. All right, I guess I'm not going to do that on this video, but it's going to be as simple as probably taking the hood off, putting it on a blanket, scrubbing the crap out of it, cleaning it up a little bit, and putting it back on. So anyway, in closing, woo, wife put her foot up my ass.
Sorry.
So I guess that's my cue to speed it up, get the lead out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I enjoyed making it, using Chemical Guys,
Not sponsored.
not sponsored products. Yeah, I'm getting excited. The carb swap is next, and just got to get some gasket material off this cylinder head, which is proving to be a giant pain in the marbles. Yeah, that's about it from me. Anything from you, hon? No?
No.
You sure? All right. Well, I guess that's it then. We will see you guys next time.